Hello, it's Alethea again, and welcome to Quick Soul Dishes. Quick Soul Food Dishes. You can see that my ham hocks are bubbling. Today's menu is ham hocks and frozen string beans, muffin cornbread, steak marinating, and over here we have our fish thawing and getting ready to be clean. They are whitings. Let's roll. Thank you for coming. And so with my fish, I put a little mustard on it. Here are the ingredients for the fish. This is what I use on my fish. And I'm gonna get ready to just rub all of this stuff in till I get it coated the way that I want it. And then we're gonna deep fry them in the pan. So this is how the fish is looking after I spread the seasoning all over. We're gonna pan fry those. Now let's look at the string beans. I have taken the ham hocks out. They're here. I didn't want them to fall off the bone because they're nearly there. So we're gonna let these cook down all the way down, and we're gonna put our ham hocks back in. Okay, so here are my green beans. They're cooking down with that nice, delicious ham hock up in there. And we're getting ready to drop our fish in this frying pan. And the fish was sitting here marinated. So we're going to fry up our fish. Here is our fish. It's deep fried. As you can see, it's finished. Now we're getting ready to move on to the corn muffin. I'm going to add a pack of Splenda in there and the milk, 2% milk. I'm not adding the egg. And the only thing left for this Sunday dinner will be the steak. Okay, we're sauteing the green onions for the steak. And this is how the fish is looking. Here are the muffins, looking good. Got the steak in there. Doing its thing. So, look, it's all done. How does that look? We have the fish with lemon, the string beans, the steak, T-bone, and cornbread. What a wonderful meal. Bon appetit. Thanks for joining me.